Hey everybody, Travis with Blue Nail Roofing here. I got something a little different for you today. Two houses, both alike in dignity, here in Mansfield, Texas, where we lay our scene. Alright, so this is kind of an odd situation where you got two roofs going on by different companies right across the street from each other. But it's a great example to show you homeowners why it's so important to pick a contractor who you trust and who is reputable and who comes with good references and referrals. Now, we're of course doing it the Blue Nail way, doing it the right way, and installing all the proper products exactly the way they're supposed to be put on the roof to manufacturer specifications. This other house, we have been here all day, the same time as them. What we have seen is they did not replace the drip edge. They are not using starter strips. They're just turning a 3-tab shingle upside down in the place of starter strips. Instead of proper ice and water shield in the valleys, they use cap sheets that you would normally use on low slope roofing. They're doing so many things wrong, and it's just kind of an awesome A-B comparison because they're right across the street from us. And you know, we think we do a good job, but to see it in real time and see just how different it is when you're going with Blue Nail versus some of these other guys, it's painfully obvious. And they don't have any logos. I have no idea what company this is, so I'm not trash and talking anybody in particular, but it's always important to make sure that you are going with a contractor who you trust, who is reputable, and who's going to do a great job on your project. And of course, who we recommend is Blue Nail. All right, that's Travis with Blue Nail. Check out bluenail.com. We're happy to come out and inspect your home, make sure you're all in one piece. I'll see you in the next video.